So it's like art. Each palaces.
Yeah, everything is different. So we are more modern palace because our building is modern.
When you receive palace?
In 2013, service. The hotel opened in 2011 and we became a palace in 2013.
Так, so 509. Which name?
It's a Deluxe Suite.
Deluxe Suite. Okay. What is this?
So it's photography. We wanted to be like embrace our surroundings. So as we are in the fashion district, you will find a lot of fashion not within the hotel. So the photography, the painting, and everything. We do have balcony option as well.
Oh, balcony.
Yes. So
Okay.
here you have a balcony. It's also overlooking the garden. You have a small balcony. We do have balcony in every room categories.
I can go inside?
Oh, yes, you can.
Oh, super. This is everything Mandarin Oriental, right?
Yes.
So weather become very good. Saint-Honoré.
Yeah. Today it was really windy, but most of the time you will.
No, that was beautiful rain.
Rain can be beautiful. It's not good when you're stuck under it, but. Do not hesitate if you have any question, and I forgot to.
Oh, what is this?
Anything. So it's also a picture by Man Ray, like on the bed, and it's a negative of the picture that was reproduced on the.
Negative of there.
Yeah.
Wow.
You will have one in each room. So, and the deluxe room is above the bed, and here it's above the sofa. Here you just have the wood. And depending on what your guests want and what your guests like, we can add the amenities. It will depend on it, on you. As well as the facilities. So if you want a balcony, a terrace, everything is possible. Oh, I can open the door for you. I don't know if you book families, but we do have a lot of connecting options, and we do have family option where the connecting room is 50% off, up to 50% off.
Да, this I know. You have also many times 4 nights free.
Yeah.